at the fundamentals, we've had a look at the data, and now we're going to go to the golden girl, Ainslie, and talk gold. Um, Ainsley, wasn't gold just gold last week? Didn't they just do the same kind of thing it does, where this nice little consolidation, then bang down and bang back up?
Hello, Gold. It's been a really interesting week because we were talking with Geoff on Trader Buddy show on Wednesday night, and he said, "Where do you think to with gold?" And I said, "Well, let's have a little look. We've broken out of this huge bull flag, taken off. We've gone straight up, and everybody knows that I love gold to just go from A to B and go straight up. I don't want any of this retracement nonsense." So I said, "But I need to be realistic. I'm expecting a retracement, and a retracement is something we got. I just didn't know how far that was going to come back, but certainly gave us a good, as gold has a tendency to do, a really good thumping on the retracement." So what did it do? It came down to have a look on the daily chart, by the way. Hello, came down and said hello to the 20 EMA. So what a surprise. It bounced off the level that it just so really, really likes, which is around that 1554, I think it was, around that, 1855 level, and sat there for, a good 8 hours going, well, what do we do now? What do we do now? We waited for the NFP numbers. It missed. It was a good miss. I love a good miss on NFP. I've had 2 happy Friday nights in the last 2 months. So, hey, happy dance there indeed. And off it took. And where it took us back to was back into this level, back into a support resistance level. And I think it's going to sit there because what else is coming out this week? Thursday, 10:30 Sydney time, 8:30 Sing time, is CPI. So CPI is going to affect bond yields, US dollar, all that kind of stuff. So at the moment, bond yields, a bit of a flavour of the month, and it's following suit. And that's the thing. We did talk about this during the week, was what impacts gold. What is it inversely correlated to, or highly correlated to? And a lot of those correlations have broken down. So when the stock market rallies, that used to be gold would come off. We don't have that now. We're just not having that at the moment. When the gold rallies, dollar yen tends to be highly correlated. That isn't happening. That should have been selling off. It hasn't been happening. So just be careful of any of the correlated trades that we've been used to, because a lot of those relationships have broken down. Where to this week? Wait until, I think we're going to see a bit more of consolidation. We're back in that little nice box again. It seems to be their safety. And you know what gold's like. It likes a consolidation box. It's safe. It's happy. It's got a blanket. It's got a security blanket. And then we'll really be impacted to see what happens on Thursday CPI. So 4 days of trading, it might just take off, it might go up, it might come back down again. But we had a beautiful bounce off the 20 EMA on the daily, off a level of support. That was good. Let's see where we go to during the week. Consolidation, I think, followed by let's wait and see on the CPI. CPI is really going to have an impact on gold.
Cheers, Ainsley. Yeah, I tend to agree with that very much. Gold is just gold, right? Consolidate, then pop is really likely at some point here. Do like it. Okay, thank you very much for coming back to you to talk about the interesting. Oil has been one of the topics of the night, so we'll come back and do that.